Question number 90. DNA and RNA are the nucleic acids present in cells. They differ from each other in several features like number 1, type of sugar. Yes, they do differ in this because in DNA the sugar is deoxyribose and in RNA the sugar is ribose. Now, second point, their location in the cell. Yes, definitely. DNA is concised in the nucleus, wherein RNA is present inside nucleus as well as outside also. There are different types of RNAs present in the cell. Then type of nitrogenous base. Definitely, in DNA we have ATGC, wherein in RNA we have AUGC. Well, A stands for adenine, T stands for thymine, C stands for cytosine, and G stands for guanine. So adenine, cytosine, guanine are common in both, but instead of thymine in RNA, uracil is present. And the last one is their functions. Definitely, DNA is actually a molecule which contains the hereditary information inside the cell, wherein RNA it acts as a messenger and in various processes like uh, what do you say, formation of proteins mainly. Okay, so it is like because of their scattered location in cells for different purposes, sometimes DNA they help in replication in this translation process, as well as this what do you say, in the process of further processing, as acting as tracing out the information from genetic material so as to form the desired product. It could be a protein or it could be any other what do you say, enzymatic moiety, wherein, but that's very rare. Only main function which is remember known, that is translation process, is done by RNAs. So 1, 2 and 3, 4, all these are the functions, the features wherein RNA and DNA differ from each other. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. With that, let's move on to next question.